In this tutorial, you will learn how to make multiple folders in PC from the name list in Excel sheet. As you see here in the screen, these folders here are created from the employee name list given here. Let's learn how do we do this. First of all, join MD with all these names with a space between them. For this, click beside the first name. Press equals, type double quotation, MD, space, double quotation. Type and symbol, then click on employee name cell. Press enter. Drag this till last employee. Now copy this new name range. Now minimize Excel. Go to your desktop and create a new folder. Let me create here a folder in the name of my employees. Now open Notepad document and paste the copied name range. Now, save this notepad with BAT file extension. For this, click on File tab, then Save As. In the file name, give any name .bat. Let me give here abc.bat. Now choose the folder location to save this BAT file. Then click on Save. Now here you see the BAT file is created. Simply double-click on the BAT file in few seconds. All folder will generate automatically. Isn't this amazing? Give a thumbs up in the video if it is useful. Consider subscribing this channel if you are new here. Thank you for watching. See you in next video tutorial.